Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to learn a new poem, that is The Little Plant. The name of the poem is The Little Plant. We'll see the learning outcomes of this poem. Through this poem, learner will be able to learn the seed germination, appreciate natural phenomena, and aware of conditions that are needed for a seed to germinate. Now tell me how a plant grows from a seed. Can you see a picture? So how a plant grows from a seed? See in this picture. How a tiny seed grows up into a huge tree. Are you aware of the conditions that are needed for a seed to germinate? Okay, we will see in this poem. First of all, who wrote this poem? Yes, it is written by Kate Louise Brown. Now we'll read this poem. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Wakes it the sunshine and crept to the light. Wakes it the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So, have you know about seed germination? How a tiny seed grows up into a huge tree or a plant? Okay. Now we will see what is in the poem. The first stanza of the poem. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. In the heart of a seed means inside the seed, inner part of the seed. Buried deep, so deep. Buried means put deep into the ground. That little seed buried deep, so deep, and a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. And in that seed, in the center of that seed, a tiny little plant, a small plant, lay fast asleep, and that plant is sleeping over there inside the heart of a seed, inside the seed. Okay, so there was a seed and it buried deep, so deep, very deep, and inside that seed, who is there? A tiny little plant. And what it is doing there? It is sleeping there, sleeping deeply. Now we'll see the next part of this poem in our next video. Thank you.